Alright, so as you probably read in the title, I'm making this short video to announce you all that my Slava alarm clock has been officially retired after about 2 years of waking me up to go to school. Last weekend, I bought a new clock which I really didn't expect to take this one's place, but after seeing it perform and comparing it to my Slava, I decided that it would be for the better to let this one rest and use the new one instead. And I'm talking about this clock right here, which is a French Jazz alarm clock with a transistorized movement and a calendar, which you'll be seeing in its own video very soon.